Your heating and cooling system works hard, and if you want it to last, it needs a regular tune-up just like a car needs a regular oil change. Get a Rite Way Super Tune-Up this month for only $59. It's a 21-point service and checkup for your furnace and AC to maintain safety, energy efficiency, and extend the life of your unit. We'll even remove all that dirt, grime, and dust that's built up over the year. Also included, a freon leak check at no charge. Call Rite Way Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing today at 520-613-COOL to schedule your $59 Super Tune-Up or book online.